Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to make the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope
30 hertz straight up.
What's up, YouTube? It's Nana with an I, not a Y, and I am back with another video. So today's video is gonna be something that I'm used to doing every single Sunday. I've just never recorded it or whatever, so I feel like I need to show you guys that. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to watch my last two videos. So the first thing I'm gonna do is my laundry, where I'm gonna start it, and then of course while it's going through the process, I'll be doing other things. My laundry is right here. It is always full, so well, not always full, but it be full by the time the week over. So I'm just gonna take y'all with me to do my laundry. Next thing I'm gonna do is take everything out of my room for a deep clean.
Not that rock, that beat. I mean, down to my sock, can't hold my glory zone. You like that shit. Young turn, they can't wipe no bitch. Use my French, don't like no bitch. Limo 10 on fat, my girl, yeah, I had it hurt. So my bitch broke bad, I ain't had her hurt. Yeah, that's us. Two-tone, AP, I'm bust. Got to hear from her, ain't even wanna fuck. Why? Slut, vibe. Nothing on me from sex, ain't nothing revive. Old nigga talk on bro, should've died. No, he ain't kill him, dog, he ain't try. Till the bed, my last, nice to the hood. Take food, trade off.
So now that everything is out the room, I want to go get some of my cleaning stuff. Some towels. You know, disinfect. I'm about to do the deep clean part. Actually wiping stuff down. Dressers, mirrors. Disinfect my bed, you know, stuff like that. Sweep, and then I'm gonna be back to y'all. I have been doing my agenda for the week. So of course today's Sunday reset video will be checked off, and then tomorrow I'm going to do stuff like getting my brows done and, you know, things like that. So I always do that when I'm like waiting on my sheets to be done drying or whatever. So my first batch of clothes is done. So right now I'm about to fold those. My sheets and stuff should be done in a minute. So then after that, I'm going to be basically finishing up my room. And then it'll be the end of my deep clean part of my reset.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears.
My sheets are done. None of my sheets and pillowcases are done. I can finally make up my bed and be done with this room, because I feel like I've been doing it for Nino! It feel like I've been doing it for forever. Don't mind my hollering dog.
Tears before they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no.
So I need to sit my pillowcases to the side while I do this. I need the whole bed.
Oh, I've been thinking about you. You know, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh.
Now I'm about to do my pillowcases.
I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you tell your kids the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you feel your?
I'm about to do my couch, which goes right here. So my couch got a lot of stuff on it right now. On my couch goes this pillow, me and my grandpa, so cute. And then you have this Build-A-Bear and this other bear. I don't think they deserve to be on my bed. You know, blanket. It goes right here. So my couch is done. Rug, which goes on this side of my bed.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come.
So as y'all can see, I'm not at home anymore. I'm about to start going to stores and stuff. It's 2:35. I started doing my deep cleaning and stuff like that at like 9 something. I also cleaned my restroom, but I didn't put it on camera because I was kind of like back and forth. And I didn't want the video to be super duper long. I'm gonna show y'all the finishing of the restroom. Plus I still have more stuff to do at home, but this section of the video is now gonna be like my Target hygiene shopping. And I do need to restock my refrigerator because I be drinking fraps in the morning, so that'll be what I put in my refrigerator. But I'm also supposed to be cooking, so yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get in the store. Target is currently failing us. We can't find nothing for the dogs. Nothing. We just want them to go to sleep. Y'all don't understand, they so bad. Like, Target failing us. We can't find it. We're looking for like the liquid or the drops, melatonin, and we can't find it. Somebody was just staring at me while recording. Oh my god, let me go. We in Kroger's and y'all won't believe what I just found. It's my dumplings. I found them. It was a lot of them. I'm about to get these.
Because we didn't come here.
I'm about to get these and eat them. We just left out of Kroger's, but we still gotta go to another store. So now I am finally back at home. I need to put my face stuff that I got from Target in the restroom, and I could show y'all how clean my restroom is.
Your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do.
Now it's on to the cooking part. So let me show y'all what I'm about to do. I got pork chops right here, seasoning, cutting board, bell pepper and onions.
Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give. Oh.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, now they calling me Cassius. Punch it like Bob Saget. Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still
During seasoning. Aluminum foil over the pan before it goes in the oven.
to pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing.
Perfectly patched pork chops, okay? Nicely sealed, cut around the edges, no rips. After wash she did me, I'm gonna do her water. Baby.
Can't see, I'm blind. Calm down, sugar, be words, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never sit where you lay at.
About to blow dry her. Some people might not think this is safe for my dog, but my girl can't be running around with. I'm just sorry. I do this all the time. It don't harm her at all. She be just fine. I try to get her as dry as I can with the dry towel, but it just don't be enough. Like she's still wet. Stop it, stop it, stop it. I cleaned her ears like really good. She hates when people touch her ears. They were like real sensitive. The speed on high, but I don't put the heat. I just put the heat on medium. And then in spots like her face and stuff, I'll put it on high, but then I press like this cool, the cool shot, so it come out cold to her, you know? So yeah, let's get into her blow dry.
They get payback. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness. I hurt too much. I lost too much. I lost too much. I hit my custom boom.
Now that everything is done, that will be the end of my first Sunday reset. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what videos you guys would like to see next.